20 Amazon cleaning devices that actually work. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key, and when it comes to keeping your home clean, the right tools can make all the difference. That's where our lineup of innovative home cleaning gadgets steps in. From the best cleaning tools to the latest smart cleaning devices, we've tested the most efficient cleaning tools available in 2024. Maintaining a clean environment is essential for a healthy and comfortable life, and having the right tools makes all the difference. Here are some top-tier cleaning products that truly deliver on their promises. One, OXO Soap Dispensing Brush. This brush is a must-have for quick and effective dishwashing. With its durable nylon bristles, it effortlessly scrubs away stubborn food particles without damaging non-stick cookware. The built-in soap dispenser releases just the right amount of soap with a simple push of a button, saving both time and effort. The brush comes with a holder that neatly catches water drips and features a removable drip tray for easy cleaning. The non-skid base keeps everything in place. Whether you're tackling tough, baked-on grime or a quick rinse, this brush has you covered. Make your dishwashing routine easier. Grab yours today. 2. Keyboard Cleaner, the ultimate solution for keeping all your electronics spotless. This professional cleaning kit comes with a retractable brush, microfiber cloths, and a metal pin tip, providing deep and precise cleaning for keyboards, screens, and other delicate devices. It includes specialized tools for removing dirt from between keys, cleaning smudges off screens, and polishing surfaces without leaving streaks. Whether it's your laptop, tablet, or camera, this compact kit offers everything you need to maintain your gadgets. Get rid of embedded grime with ease. Don't let dirt ruin your devices. Order this cleaning kit now. 3. The FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gels. Perfect for those hard-to-reach spots in your car and electronics, this cleaning gel simplifies your cleaning tasks. Just knead the gel and press it into any surface to lift away dust and grime, even from the tightest crevices like air vents, dashboards, and keyboards. It's versatile, reusable, and requires no water or additional cleaners. The sticky consistency of the gel makes it ideal for grabbing dirt without leaving residue behind. Keep your car and electronics dirt-free without the hassle. Clean smarter, not harder. Add this to your cleaning arsenal today. 4. EUREKA Carpet Cleaner. Tackle stubborn spots and stains with this powerful carpet and upholstery cleaner. With its large tank capacity, it offers uninterrupted cleaning sessions, separating clean and dirty water for better hygiene. The 5.5-foot hose and 16-foot cord allow you to clean hard-to-reach areas, while the spray, scrub, and suction system ensures a deep, thorough clean. From pet accidents to everyday spills, this cleaner will restore your carpets and furniture to pristine condition with minimal effort. Get deep clean results at home. Buy now. 5. Bottle Dryer. Say goodbye to water spots and residue with this highly efficient bottle dryer. Its uniquely designed drying heads wick away water from sides, bases, and corners in seconds, reducing scum buildup and leaving your containers spotless. The dryer fits inside bottle openings of 1 inch or more and features reusable drying heads for environmentally friendly use. It's perfect for baby bottles, coffee thermoses, and other narrow-necked containers. Simplify your cleaning routine and keep your bottles dry and fresh. Keep your containers spotless. Get yours today. 6. Robot Lawnmower. The future of lawn care has arrived with this AI-assisted, wire-free robotic mower. Equipped with RTK Plus vision technology, it navigates even the most complex garden layouts with precision, avoiding obstacles and covering every inch of your lawn. Control everything from the NaviMow app, where you can set schedules, track progress, and manage multiple zones. This mower works efficiently to give your lawn a flawless, uniform cut, and it recharges and resumes automatically. Make lawn care effortless. Order this cutting-edge robot lawnmower now. 7. Screen Cleaner Ball. This handy, portable ball is designed to keep your screens clean and scratch-free. Made from soft silicone and microfiber, it quickly removes smudges, dust, and fingerprints from delicates like phone screens, tablets, and laptops. The double-sided design allows you to polish surfaces with one side and wipe away dust with the other. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Keep your devices looking pristine wherever you are. Get this cleaning ball now. 8. Newbealer Steam Mop. Experience the power of steam cleaning with this versatile steam mop, perfect for hard floors and carpets alike. Featuring adjustable steam modes and a rapid 15-second heating time, it easily blasts away dirt, grime, and stains. The large 500 milliliter water tank offers 20 to 35 minutes of continuous cleaning, making it ideal for bigger tasks. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this steam mop is pet and child safe, ensuring your home stays fresh and hygienic without harsh chemicals. Clean smarter. Order your steam mop today. 9. Electric Spin Scrubber. Make cleaning less of a chore with this electric spin scrubber. With dual speed settings, 300 RPM and 480 RPM, and an adjustable handle that extends from 14 to 60 inches, this scrubber allows you to clean every corner of your home without bending or kneeling. It comes with 8 versatile brush heads to tackle various surfaces, from bathroom tiles to car wheels. The cordless design makes it even more convenient, giving you a complete cleaning tool in one. Save time and effort. Grab this scrubber now. 10. The Wall Cleaner Mop. Reach high places and clean tough spots effortlessly with this extendable wall cleaner mop. The mop's rotating head and flipped panel design make it easy to clean corners, baseboards, and even high windows. It comes with 6 reusable pads, 3 microfiber for wet cleaning, 3 chenille for dry dusting, giving you the flexibility to tackle both wet and dry messes. Lightweight and durable, it's a versatile tool for maintaining spotless walls and ceilings. Clean smarter, not harder. Buy this wall mop today. 11. Gap Duster. Dust and dirt can hide in the most inconvenient places, but with the Gap Duster, no corner is too tight to clean. Its extendable pole, ranging from 26 to 55 inches, lets you easily tackle hard-to-reach spots, while the microfiber head bends to fit into narrow gaps like those between your furniture and floors. The slim, 0.3-inch thick design glides effortlessly through small spaces, ensuring no dust bunnies are left behind. With rust-proof stainless steel and a lightweight build, this duster makes keeping your home spotless a breeze. 12. Clean Duster Sponge. Meet your new cleaning powerhouse, the Clean Duster Sponge. This upgraded cleaning tool, designed with a 23 U-shaped groove, grabs and traps more dust, dirt, and debris than ever before. Its strong suction power and water absorption mean a single swipe can take care of even the toughest messes without spreading dust into the air. Whether it's hair, stains, or spills, this versatile sponge tackles every surface, from kitchen counters to tricky corners like blinds and baseboards, with ease. Make your cleaning routine more effective and worry-free. 13. Phone Cleaning Kit. Before spending hundreds on a replacement, try the Phone Cleaning Kit. Perfect for restoring your device's USB-C ports and charging cables, this multi-tool kit eliminates the most common connectivity issues caused by lint, dust, and grime. With its precision cleaning tools, you can safely remove contaminants and revive your charging ports and connectors. Say goodbye to unreliable connections and extend the life of your phone or tablet without any expensive repairs. PurePort's kit has got you covered. 14. Drain Clog Remover. Hair and grime are no match for the Drain Clog Remover. With its patented 360-degree rotation and 18-inch drain snake, this tool locks onto and pulls out even the toughest clogs without needing to dismantle your pipes. The microhooks effectively catch hair and filth, making the cleaning process quick and easy. Plus, the disposable wands mean no messy cleanup, just toss them after use. Whether it's your sink, tub, or shower, keep your drains flowing smoothly with this hassle-free tool. 15. Electric Composter for Kitchen. Turn your kitchen waste into gold with the electric composter. This 4L capacity device quickly and quietly converts your food scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer, reducing waste volume by 90% in just 3 to 6 hours. Featuring an upgraded churning system that can even handle small bones, this electric composter is perfect for eco-conscious families. With its smart LED display and 3 composting modes, it's never been easier to create your own fertilizer while keeping odors at bay thanks to the built-in dual carbon filters. Reduce waste and enrich your garden in one simple step. 16. UV Clean Portable Sanitizer. Keep your belongings germ-free with the UV Clean Portable Sanitizer. Designed with revolutionary UVC technology, this portable collapsible sanitizer uses powerful LED lights to disinfect your phone, keys, and other essentials in just 30 seconds per side. It's free of harmful chemicals and safe to use around kids and pets. Compact and convenient, it's perfect for home or travel, giving you peace of mind that your personal items are sanitized wherever you go. 17. Electric Spin Scrubber. Cleaning just got easier with the electric spin scrubber. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this cordless scrubber saves you time and effort by tackling tough stains with up to 350 revolutions per minute. Featuring 4 replaceable brush heads, you can clean everything from bathroom tiles to kitchen stovetops with ease. Its ergonomic design, lightweight build, and textured silicone grip ensure comfort even during long cleaning sessions. Make your cleaning routine more efficient and protect your back and knees with this powerful scrubber. 18. JIGOO Bed Vacuum Cleaner. The JIGOO Bed Vacuum Cleaner is your ultimate tool for deep cleaning your mattress. With its powerful 500-watt motor and 13 kPa suction, this vacuum pulls dust, dirt, and pet hair from your bed with ease. The smart dust sensor technology tracks how clean your bed is, and UV and ultrasonic technology provide 99% protection from unwanted guests. Plus, with its 130 VOR high-temperature heating function, this vacuum ensures a thorough, hygienic clean for a healthier sleep environment. Ideal for homes with pets and young children. 19. FONTOP Glass Rinser. Cleaning your glasses and cups has never been this quick and easy. The FONTOP Glass Rinser uses 9 high-pressure water jets and a 360-degree rotating water flow to thoroughly clean your drinkware in seconds. Whether it's a wine glass, baby bottle, or coffee mug, this durable stainless steel rinser reaches every inch for a sparkling clean. With a backflow prevention valve and easy installation, it's a convenient addition to any kitchen, saving time and water while keeping your cups spotless. 20. Smart Toothbrush Holder. Upgrade your bathroom with the Smart Toothbrush Holder. Featuring a distance sensing function, this holder automatically starts disinfecting your toothbrush whenever you wave your hand over it. Its 24-hour smart cleaning cycle keeps your toothbrush as clean as new, and the sleek digital display makes it easy to track the cleaning status and remaining battery power. Designed to encourage healthy brushing habits for kids and adults alike, this is the perfect gadget to maintain oral hygiene and simplify your routine. Each of these cleaning products is designed to save time and deliver outstanding results. Pick yours today and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable home.